Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Para 3 from Spyderco. This is our sprint run. We're gonna do like a quick review about this little fella right over here. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this little guy right over here. So this is a sprint run. It has a 2.6... I would say, yeah, 2.6, 2.7 inch long cutting edge with a 4.2 inch long handle and an overall length of 7.2 inches. So it's like a, I would say like a smaller knife, like compared like maybe like to some like thing like that. Look at this. I mean, yeah, that's pretty small. But anyways, this is a sprint run from Spyderco, of course, which means that this is like a limited edition. And once this guy is over, it's done. It's over. They're not going to be doing this anymore. So it's just like a one-time only event. Once it's sold out, it will not be produced again in this configuration right over here. So in this case, you do get a really light handle, FRN. It's a reinforced fiberglass nylon, and it's really light and sturdy. And it's, you see, has this pretty cool textured milling going on like in 3D, very well executed. As you can see, these kind of like, they look like scales going like concentrically around these Para 3 Spyderco logo right there. So very light handle for sure. And then you do get a Crucible CPM Rex 45 super high speed particle. It's a tool steel. This guy has a lot of cobalt, tungsten, molybdenum, and vanadium, and it's gonna be pretty hard. But at the same time, you know, because of the high vanadium, it's gonna be highly wear resistance. The grain is gonna be pretty fine in size, and the toughness is gonna be also very good. So this is a pretty cool combo because you do get a super steel with a super lightweight handle. Actually, since we're talking about weight, why don't we weigh this guy up on the scale? It's kind of light. Let me see. Overall, this guy is going to be 2.46 ounces. Look at that. And just like for comparison, like this is, I mean, not a reference because titanium scales, backspacer clip, I mean, no. But to give you an idea, that's like 4.68 ounces. So pretty much twice the amount of this really cool, really lightweight, burnt orange scale lightweight and Rex 45 Spyderco Para 3. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.